Hello and thanks for watching our video. Today we're going to test a 1973 to 1982 style windshield wiper motor, and hopefully this answers some of your questions about what wires make the motor operate. You'll see how the motor parks. You're going to see how it gets high and low speeds. We advise everyone to bench test their wiper motor before they send it in for replacement or repair. Thank you and enjoy the video. This is if you want to bench test your wiper motor. It works pretty much the same as the other motors. On the 78, 79 cars and the 80 car, I believe, you should have the purple wire at the top. Then you're going to have a wire here in the middle. It's going to be white, and then this bottom wire will be gray. Now, what we're going to do is, right now, we've got the case grounded right here, and we've got power running to the middle terminal. Now the 1, 2, 3 connector is what we typically call that, and that's going to supply your power and your 2 grounds to your motor when it operates. Now the top wire is also called the we kind of call it the park wire, because when ground drops off of this terminal right here, that's what makes the park switch let loose. You're going to get to see that in action in just a second anyway. So let's go ahead, and we're going to run a ground over here to the, if I can get it right, there we go. Now you run a ground over there and you pick up high speed. Then we're going to jump over here to this other ground, and the motor is going to slow down to low speed. And so there's your high and your low speeds. Now you pick up high when this one's grounded, you pick up low when both are grounded. If you remove this wire right here, the motor will park. So that's basically what's going on with your switch when you turn your switch off. I'm trying to hit it here. If you're running your motor, when you turn your switch on, the first thing you hit when you turn your switch on is the low speed. Okay, then to get your high speed, the switch drops off this ground. Then when you go back to turn your wipers off, it always has to pass through low speed first. So it passes through low speed and drops this ground for park. Now, if you watch, you'll see the electromagnet pulls in when that wire's hooked up. It only drops off when it's grounded. Of course, if you lose your power, it'll jump out of there as well. So there's really not a lot more to this motor than there are to any other of the wiper motors. The 68 is still the king of the difficult motors to resolve. Maybe give you some ideas while we're doing this of different things that can happen to your motor. For say, if you lose both grounds, you end up in what we call wiper motor run-on. So if you power your car up or turn your key on, the first thing that happens is your wiper motor just takes off. Well, usually all you've got to do is run a ground over here, and it'll go to high, or you can run the ground over to the can. Well, that about wraps the video up. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to visit our website. It's willcoxcorvette.com. There's 2 L's in Willcox. On the website, you'll find plenty of articles under the repair and install help section, and you'll find a lot of tech pictures under the tech pictures section. The only thing that we ask is that you do not contact our sales staff in regards to information for technical issues. If you can email me direct at support@willcoxcorvette.com. Once again, thank you for watching.